Hello my internet friends, John Gibson here with I Need Examples. Today we are going to cover the Excel WorkDay function. This function is very useful when you need to exclude weekends or holidays when you calculate invoice due dates, past invoice dates, or delivery dates. The required arguments are start date, days, which is the number of non-weekend or non-holiday days before or after the start date. A positive value for days yields a future date, and a negative value yields a past date. The holidays argument is an optional list of one or more dates to exclude from the working calendar, such as state and federal holidays. In the first example, we want to determine the date that an invoice is due with and without the holiday argument. In column B, we have the date that the invoice was created. In column C, we have our net days. This is how many days out from the bill date we want the invoice due date. In column D and E, we have the result cells that are formatted as dates. Column D will be the date without the holiday argument, and column E will use the holiday table in columns G through I. In cell D2, let's enter the formula equal workday, open parentheses, B2 for our start date, comma C2 for our days, close parentheses. There, now we have our due date based on the start date and the net dates. Remember, this formula will exclude the weekends, Saturday and Sunday. Now let's add the holiday table. In cell E2, enter the formula equals workday, open parentheses, B2, comma C2. Since I named our table holiday, I could use the name as a reference. So enter holiday, left bracket, date, right bracket, close parentheses. As you can see, since we included the holidays in the formula, these days are now removed from the net days and the date is pushed out further than the due date in column D. Now let's look at a scenario where we want to see what the previous bill date was based on due date. In this instance, we will also use the holiday table in the formula. In cell D9, enter the formula equals workday, open parentheses, B9, comma, C9. As you can see, I'm using a negative number for my days because I want to see a past date, comma, holiday, left bracket, date, right bracket, close parentheses. Now we have our previous bill date shown in range D9 through D12. This corresponds with the bill date in range B2 through B5. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Comment below if you would like to see examples on a specific topic. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time.